Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Google Nest with a smartphone and establish the Wi-Fi network. And to do this, you will need to connect your Google Nest to your modern router. So take the Ethernet cable, connect it to the router and then to the Google Nest, then connect it to the power source. Let's actually change that because we need to connect it into this port right here with the internet connection on it. Now we can move on to our smartphone and here open the Google Home app. Let's look the orientation of the phone, and right here on the top you should see the setup Nest Wi-Fi router. Select the home for it, turn on Bluetooth, now it's looking for the Google Nest. It's found and we can click yes. Scan the QR code, which is right here on the bottom of the Google Nest. So you need to use the camera. It's scanned. Now that it's connected, we can pick a different room for it, and I will use the attic. Create the Wi-Fi name. And the password. I think it needs to be at least 6 digits, so let's go for one from 1 to 8. And here, yes, I'm in. Yes, I'm in. It's creating the Wi-Fi network. Connect now. Now find the network that you've just named in the Wi-Fi list. Enter the password. You've also created it, so it should be the same. Then it's done. The setup is complete, and from here you should be able to use this mesh. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.